bus or a vehicle, or my vehicle may give some trouble. All that problems are there. You know the reason for that? Again, binary. You have to use duality. Duality, that is the cosmic law of the universe. Duality is the cosmic law. Even Shankaracharya has told. What is that? The whole universe is duality, but you become singularity. Advaita. That means Dvaita means duality. Leave the world. Leave the Advaita. Leave the world. You be attached to singularity. Now, how to come to that singularity in the world, in our day-to-day transaction? Always we try to go in between that, this and that, 0 and 1. That switch, it is on or off. What we do? We try to keep it in between. If somebody gives you an invitation, marriage invitation, what you say when the invitation is given to you? Majority of the people? Huh? We will come. Okay. When you are telling that we will come, is it through the heart, or through the mind, or through the mouth? Mouth. That is again mind's
tip of the tongue.
Organ.
Tip of the tongue.
Mouth. But if they are very close to us, we will tell yes. But friends and all, you know that already on 27th there is a court case. You don't want to tell to your friend, I have got a court case, all that you don't want to tell. Then immediately what you will tell him?
Definitely I will come.
Huh? Not definitely. No. I will try to come. As far as possible, I will try to come. If I don't come, please excuse me, but definitely I will come. Finally, you will put definitely. But in the beginning, what you told? As far as possible. This is going in between. That means cat and the wall. For all our problems, this is the main cause. Going in between. You tell on the face, yes, there is a court case on that day for me. I have to attend. Sorry, I cannot come to your marriage. Beginning, when you start telling like this, people may be offended. Yes, for him, going for already appointment is fixed. For somebody else, I have promised that I will come to you along with you to Kanakpura. So because I have promised first, and that is important, I have to go. Immediately you will feel yes. For him, that other friend became important, and I am become secondary. But you go on telling truth. That means you don't try to play in between. Don't go in between. After some time, people start accepting you. So whatever he says, it is correct.
Be natural.
Be natural. That means if he says I am coming, he comes. If he says I am not coming, he will not come. If he says I am paying, he pays. If he says I cannot pay, he will not pay. Then you go and ask anybody, whatever help you require, they will extend. So like that, binary what it is. Sir, binary is nothing but duality. So really,
you related it to cosmic law.
Huh?
Cosmic law.
I related it to cosmic law. Instead of computers, I related it to cosmic law. That's
So overcoming the cosmic law is a sin anta illa anta.
all.
Overcoming the cosmic law. Cosmic law is the ultimate of the
Ultimate. No, that is ultimate.
This is overcoming the cosmic law.
You cannot overcome cosmic law. Even gods cannot overcome cosmic law. Cosmic law is one that is called Satya. Satya is cosmic law. Nija is not cosmic law.
But duality is the cosmic law anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Duality is a cosmic law ಅಂತಾರೆ.
Cosmic, it is there. Duality is there. For example, duality is created by us. Cosmic law. What is there? I am telling. Black and white. Short and lengthy. Then affluent and poor.
Positive,
like
negative.
Two things are there in the world, whatever you take. Good, bad. Like that. This is duality.
You realize that. You realize that there is a duality.
Duality. We realize, and it is there in the world. So what we try to do, either you say you go to left or right. We try to go in between. That is the problem. Now I'll tell you two things are there. Now I'll come to the other point. Now you understood, na? We should not go in between. We should stick to either yes or no. ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೇನಾಗಬೇಕು
there is a yes, there is a no, there is no in between.
No in between. Don't go there. Don't go there. See, for example, if you go to Siddha Samadhi Yoga, they conduct how many of anybody is there? Siddha Samadhi Yoga?
Yeah, I have attended.
So they say, you are telling, I will try to take this. Now try to take this.
There's nothing called try.
Try to take this.
Take it or leave it.
No, you have taken. You have taken. Keep it. Now try.
ಕೈ ಹತ್ರ ತರ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
No, you are not taken. You are not taken. You bring that hand up to that, you are not taken.
So only two things.
Only two things, either you are taking or not taking. That's a no, this one. So what we do, we will go try.
There's nothing called trying.
Not trying.
I'll try to come.
There are many words like that. So try to, you find out your own, this one. How many words you use to go in between. Try to avoid it. Try to avoid it. If the moment is...
Avoid that.
Avoid it.
Okay, avoid that. That is again, habitual. Common word, habitual. Avoid that. People start believing you and credibility will go up. Sir, cosmic law, even God cannot change it. It is eternal and it will be there forever. It was there, it is now today, it is in future also. For example, whatever is created has to be destroyed. Suppose I created, what I created? I built a house. Maybe after 100 years, maybe after 1,000 years, maybe after 10,000 years, it has to be scrapped. A barn has to die.
It comes down.
Comes down, like that. So, and like that, many cosmic laws are there. They are eternal. They are eternal. Actually, in the spiritual line, you should try to know the cosmic laws. Satyave Devaru. Satya means what? It never changes. Which is always remains constant. Which one will remain constant? Only one thing. That is Supreme God. Or whatever God at the moment you use the people. A power. A supreme power. That remains constant. Even you cannot say the sun rises in the east. Is it Satya? Eternal truth?
Appears.
It's relative
Not
truth.
appears, it is wrong.
It is not an absolute truth, it's a relative
Sun never
truth.
rises in the east.
Yes.
So sun never rises in the east.
With respect to darkness, it rises.
No. Even scientifically, it never rises in the east.
It never rises.
Earth is rotating.
One principle, Earth is rotating. Next, Earth, you take any newspaper or any astrological magazine, today, sunrise timings, they write 6:05. Next day you see 6:04. So that means every day it is changing. That means that is not east. East means a single point. So every day it is changing. So like that,
It is the rotation between the...
whatever it may be, but that is not true.
It is true. Magnetic is true. Magnetic
No, don't say east. Then you should not use the word east. Say either southeast or northeast.
Magnetic
Even if